Blue Christmas. I've always liked this one. I don't know why it took me so long to find this one, because it works so nice on the Merlin. Yeah. The lessons I did last year, Drummer Boy is one of my favorite songs for Christmas. And the other one I did, First Noel, which I don't, whatever, as a song, but on the Merlin it works so well. You should go back and check that one out, because I really did think it just fit the Merlin so well. But this one has to be up there in the top songs on the Merlin. It just works so well, and even if it's not Christmas, you could play this song. It's just so good. Anyways, I'm gushing all over Elvis here. Whatever. So we got no fake chord this time. So you have your D, you'll have an A, your G. Yeah, your G, but the G is a little bit different. You'll have an E, and then you'll have the high G with the fifth. So D, you guys should all know this already. D is open, open, open. A is one, open, one, open, one. Your G is open, 1, 3. Other G is 3, 3, 5. And your E is 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we're just going to start. It's basically two parts. And the only difference between the two parts is the ending. So once you learn one part, you know the second part, you just have to learn the ending. Same with most songs we do. It's just the way people do them. Line 1. You can't see my picking hand. I know some people have been complaining about that. Hi. So the chords that go behind that, you start with a D. Nope. Keep missing that open. So you come out on the A. Second part. So you're in the A to begin that. I'm doing with my thumb there, right? Oops. Back into the D. So when you're doing that third fret on your first string, you're still holding that first note on the low. It's like an A7. So let's do the second part again. Oops. First two parts. Third part is all, third line I should say, is all on your high string. So you climb up. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4. And then you climb back down. 3. Now you're going into a G here. So you're gonna, but it's like I said, it's a different G. You'll extend it, but you gotta walk up to the G. But you start open 1, 1. So you work your 3, 2, and then you do that little chord, walk back up. So. Okay, so right there we stop. That's line 1, 2, and 3. Those 3 lines are the same as the first 3 lines in the second part. Now this last line is the only part that changes. So we do that. Here we go into your E. Your thumb doesn't move from that top fret the whole time. So you do your E. So first part is 2, 1, open, 2, open. So that's part 1. Part 2, like I said, it's all the same, except, actually, no, I shouldn't say that, because when you come that first line, so the first time we do that through, you're doing that in a D. But with the ending of the first part here, we end in an A, right? You keep that A on. Then you release there to the D. So it's really just those first 2 notes. So that's how you start the second part. After that, everything's the same. Okay, so once you get to that part, the ending of that G changes a little bit. First time through we do... let's just start the whole thing. Second time you do that, it's... You come up to your high G. So you do your 3, 3, 5. And then the very last line is 3 on your low. I add a little bit of hammer-ons in there. That's pretty much it. I know there's lots of timing things, and the picking is a lot easier, a lot less in this than Rudolph, but it's just with the chords it adds to it. And let's go all the way through part 1, part 2. Just do it nice and slow. That works so nice on the Merlin. And it's just one of those bluesy swing type of things that probably works good on anything you do. I have Blue Christmas Elvis. I'm gonna go. What else I got? Carol the Bells. That won't work on the Merlin. So I got two more to do. And what I'm shuffling to is not tabs or anything. I don't have tabs or any of this stuff. It's just I have scribblings. That would be no use to anyone. Otherwise I would post them. So that's it. Blue Christmas. We'll see you guys soon. Practice, patience, have fun.